Starlight here. Today we have made ourselves some rocket ships. So we've got our rocket ship here, complete with lightning bolt, because no rocket ship can fly without one of those, and a straw, and we are going to see if we can make them fly using just these two things. Do you think we can do it? Let's see. We're going to put our rocket ship on our straw, like this, and then you take a deep breath. It worked! And again in slow motion. Guys, that was us making rocket ships. I hope you enjoyed it. Maybe you could make one at home. If you do, please let us know all about it. Have a good day. See you later.